Hey, Nick Tumanello here in Sweden, massive performance gym, talking about leg complexes. So the leg complex I'm going to show you was originally developed by Vern Gambetta. It was called the Burn with the Vern circuit, later popularized by Coach Juan Carlos Santana. I think he called it super legs or iron legs or something like that. This is actually the reverse of how Vern taught it, which is another way to use it as well. So it's 4 exercises that I'll demo. Squat jumps, this is the reverse of Vern's variation. Squat jumps, and then lunge jumps or scissor jumps on a step, which is what I'll show, or a small platform. Then lunges in place, either forward and return or backward, reverse lunges and return. And then squats. You do about 8 to 12 of everything that's unilateral, and the jumps you'll do about 8 to 12 total, and the squats you'll do about 16 to 24. All right? So I'm going to do about half the reps on everything to save my energy here. You can have your hands like this, which makes it harder the whole time, or you can kind of allow your hands to move to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to do the prisoner position. So squat jumps. All right? About 8 to 12, depending on where you are in the progression. You can go a little more, a little less, depending on. Go right to here. You know, some sort of Reebok step, platform. Maybe a bench is a little bit high. We go here, scissor jumps. Really spring up, all your weight's coming off the front leg. It's not the soccer drill where you go like that, all right? Like we have a soccer ball here. Drive off the front leg. We're gonna go 8 to 12 or 16 to 24 total, 8 to 12 per leg. Then we go lunges. You have 2 options. You can either go forward and return, or you can go reverse and return. Your choice. I'll go 16 to 24 total, or 8 to 12 per leg. And then I'll finish with 16 to 24 bodyweight squats. Now, notice I was putting a little pop on those, so you can actually get out of there a little quicker, almost like you got a little calf raise, almost like you're gonna jump. So that's the reverse version of the Burn with the Vern leg complex, otherwise known as super legs. That's a killer.